Hello guys, this is Tarun Kashyap from tarunkashyap.com. In the previous videos, I have shown you how to install WordPress, and I have also shown you how to install a premium WordPress theme which is GeneratePress. If you haven't watched that video, then I'm going to link that video in the I button. Click on that I button and you can watch that videos, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what to do after installing WordPress. You have a fresh WordPress website. So now what to do? What we have to do after the fresh installation of our WordPress, okay? So the first thing that we need to do after installing WordPress is we need to go to posts and we have to clear out all the posts, okay? Because these are all the test posts, okay? These are made for test purposes, so we need to trash this, okay? So this is the drop down. Click on this thing and click on move to trash and click on apply. So all the posts that are present will be moved to trash, okay? So the second thing that we need to do is go to pages and we need to delete all the pages, okay? Same thing for this thing. Click on this checkbox. This will select all the pages and you have to come to this drop down and from here select move to trash, okay? And then again click on apply and then all the pages will be moved to trash, okay? So the next thing that we need to do is go to media. So we need to also delete all the media that is present on our website because these are all the test purposes. These medias are all made for the test purposes, okay? So again for this thing, delete permanently and click on apply. Okay, the posts have been cleared, all the test posts have been cleared, all the test pages have been cleared. So now let's go to comments. Okay, the comment section is also free from all the comments. Now here nothing to do with this. Okay, now we have to go to users, okay? Go to your user profile and click on edit. And you have to customize your user profile according to you, okay? The username is already selected. I will write down my name here. Okay, my last name is Kashyap. Nickname not required for me. Okay, so you have to select the display name. So I will select the display name as Tarun Kashyap because I don't want the username to be appearing as my name, okay? So this is the display name that will be visible to the public. So email. Here you have to put in your email that is working. So I will write down my email which is working, okay? Write down your email here and then on the website you have to select your website's domain name. Select your domain name and then copy and paste it here, okay? Okay, in the biographical info, so you have to put a small biographical info here, okay? So I will write, so like this, you have to write a small biographical info about yourself. And then for the gravatar, it will be automatically generated if you have a WordPress.com account. You have to go to your WordPress.com account and from there you need to upload a gravatar, okay? So click on update profile. So your profile will be updated. Okay, it's saying if you change this, we will send you an email at the new address to confirm it. The new address will not become active until you confirm. There is a pending change of your email to official tarunkashyap@gmail.com. Okay, I will receive an email and I will confirm it, okay? So let's go to my mobile device and quickly let me confirm it, okay? The email is not in my primary folder. Let's see the spam folder. Okay, the email change request is in my spam folder. So you will get a link in the email and you have to click on that link to confirm it. So I will click on this link and let's confirm it. Okay, the link is now been confirmed from my end, from my mobile device. I have clicked on that link. Okay, now so let's refresh this page. Okay, the email is now been changed. So that's how you change it. So this is my gravatar. I have changed the gravatar on my WordPress.com account. This is the gravatar at my WordPress.com account. If you don't know how to add a gravatar, then I will make a video about this, okay? But for now, I'm showing you all the changes that we need to do after installing a fresh WordPress, okay? So we have changed the user profiles and also you can select the color scheme of your WordPress dashboard. Okay, personally I like this one. I like this color scheme. So let's go to another settings. Go to settings, under that general. So from here we can set the site title. Okay, we already did this when we were installing WordPress, when we are asked to install WordPress. So this is the title of our website, and you can also set your tagline for your website from here. Okay, so I will change it a little bit. So yeah, this is looking good. Okay, the WordPress address URL, I think everything is good. It is HTTPS. If your website address URL is HTTP and not S, then you have to change it S, and you have to ask your hosting provider to install an SSL certificate on your website. Okay, so rest everything is good. So the time zone, we have to change the time zone. So I'm residing in India, so for India it's positive 5:30, so I will select positive 5:30 from here. Okay, it is the Indian Standard version of UTC. Okay, you can select the language from here. Okay, whatever the language that you want to select for your WordPress dashboard. Rest everything is good, and let's click on save changes. Okay, so let's go to another setting, writing. So here is the writing setting. Yeah, update services. This is the ping services. So this is the area where we can update our ping services. So what is the ping service? So ping service is the service which enables us to update all the search engines that we have written a new content. So whenever we will write a new content, this will update all the search engines or all the website directories that we write here. Okay, so we don't every time have to go to Search Console and inspect URL. So paste in the ping services list that I gave you. So for getting the ping services list, you have to go to this blog post that I have written. I will link to this blog post in my description below, so you can get this blog post from my description, and you have to scroll down and you have to click on this download ping list button. Okay, and if after you click on that ping list button, you have to enter your email and your name. Okay, and then you have to click on subscribe, and then I will send the ping list directly to your email inbox. Okay, so yeah, after that click on save changes, and then we have to come to reading. Okay, so blog pages show at most, we have to change this to 6. I don't want to show 10 posts. Okay, so it's saying verification feed shows the most recent. I will also change this to 6. For each post in a feed include full text. No, I don't want to show full text at the front page. I don't want to show the full text. I want to show the summary. So click on summary and then click on save changes. Okay, and then come to discussion and check all the settings. Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. Okay, yeah, check this box, allow link notification from other blogs. Yeah, also check this post, allow people to submit comments on new post. Also check this post, because if you don't check this, then people will not be able to submit comments on your blog posts. Okay, comment author must fill out name and email. Yeah, this is necessary. You have to check this box. User must be registered and logged into comment. No, it's not necessary. Automatically close comments on posts older than 14 days. No, don't check this box. Okay, because if you do this, then all of the blog posts that will be older than 14 days, people will not be able to comment on those posts. Okay, so don't check on this. Show comments cookies opt-in checkbox. Yeah, enable this thing. Enable threaded nested comments. Yeah, also check on this thing. Anyone posts a comment in it? No, I don't want to get an email when anyone posts a comment, so I can uncheck this. A comment is held for moderation. Yeah, I want to get the email whenever comment is held for moderation, so check this thing. Rest we don't need to do anything here. Click on save changes, and then we have to come to permalinks. So this is saying common setting. Okay, so currently it's set to day and name. So you can see the permalink structure bloggingpal.com/2020/02/25/sample post. We don't want to look our permalink to look like this. Okay, we want to look our permalink to look good and simple. So we will simply select post name from here, and then we will click on save changes. This is simple, and we should always select our permalink structure to be like this. In the future videos, I will be showing you how to select a better alternative to this one, okay? A better permalink structure. But for now, you can select post name and then click on save changes. Rest everything is good. So congratulations, we have configured the WordPress. We have done all the settings that we need to do after installing a fresh WordPress website. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is the video series in which I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start a WordPress blog, how you can create a best WordPress blog, and you can also consider this videos a video courses for you, okay? I will be showing you all the exact techniques that I use to write my blog post and rank and make money from my blog posts, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and click on that bell icon, because I keep making this kind of videos related to blogging, digital marketing, and making money online. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.